Oscar Pistorius will be released on parole after serving half the sentence. Pistorius shot and killed Reeva Steenkamp through a closed toilet door on Valentine's Day 2013. The former Paralympian was found guilty of willful manslaughter, but this was overturned by the SCA, who later found him guilty of. The lawyer representing Reeva Steenkamp's family said it was very stressful and that it took great courage for Reeva's mother June to attend Oscar Pistorius' parole hearing on Friday. Lawyer Tania Koen accompanied June to Pistorius' parole hearing at Atteridgeville Penitentiary. Reeva's father Barry was too ill to travel. Speaking reporters, Koen said that the parole board decided to speak June and Oscar separately. "We were told a decision would be made later today, Friday, and they will inform us before they officially let the public know," Koen said. That trial, the circumstances were very unpleasant for him, but knew he had to do it for Reeva and did it. "I'm so proud of him. As I said before, she doesn't feel rehabilitated. He didn't tell the truth, and that's why both he and Barry argued that he shouldn't be released on parole," Koen said. "Our laws allow every offender to be put on parole at some point. So we know the day will come, and June and Barry know that day will come. We can wait for the board to make a decision." Regarding how the Steenkamps endured, Koen said, "It was very stressful, very painful, and it took a huge amount of courage for June to get here today." Koen said June expected to see Oscar at the trial for the first time, because she didn't attend victim-perpetrator dialogue hearings because she couldn't face him. "So it's extremely stressful and extremely traumatic for him. I really appreciate June, she showed a lot of courage today." Koen said he didn't believe June's version of Oscar and wanted the truth. He added that Barry's expression of the victim effect was highly emotional, extremely to the core. Reading Barry's description of the victim effect, Carmen Dodd said Barry said couldn't sleep at night, that he wouldn't be able to get results until was given the real truth. She says she has one wish before she dies and that Oscar tells us exactly what happened that night. Pistorius was on trial for after shot and killed Steenkamp as he stood behind the closed door of his bathroom in the early hours of Valentine's Day 2013, after open fire on him. However, claimed that he believed was an intruder. Judge Thokozile Masipa, the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, believed Pistorius' account of the and convicted him willful manslaughter. Even if SCA believed Pistorius fired at an intruder when he fired multiple shots at the bathroom door, he must have reasonably predicted that person behind door would die. He later found her guilty of under the final case principle. The case was sent back to Masipa for a new sentence. In its decision, the SCA found that Masipa's 6-year sentence to Pistorius was surprisingly light and said there was no reason why he should not receive a minimum 15-year sentence for willful killing. The court noted that Pistorius had already served 1 year 7 months for willful manslaughter, reduced his sentence to 13 years 5 months. News 24 previously reported that parole reports revealed that Pistorius repeatedly tried apologize to the Steenkamps, but never intended kill Reeva. The thought of Reeva not having a chance to face and apologize to her family for taking their daughter's life reportedly killed her, Pistorius, inside, said prison social worker Clara Erenst. Reports supporting Pistorius' parole release. She said she had been continuing to pray, and hoped that one day God would give them the opportunity to heal and their daughters. And one day, the time will come to face her. To face them.